Hi everyone! Today I would like to talk to you about persimmons. It's really wonderful fruit that comes in the fall and it lasts through the winter. I know you may be unfamiliar, but I think that you may find them now more frequently at farmers markets and Asian grocery stores near you. So these days you'll find different kinds of persimmons at your market. And I have here 4 different kinds, and I want to explain to you how you buy it and eat it as well. These, I guess in the States you would call them kaki, but in Korea it's called Tangam, which means sweet persimmon. And you eat it as it is, and when choosing it, try to get the one that has a little bit of the more orange color in it than just green. And basically you just cut it and you peel the skin off, and you can eat it as it is. And basically you just peel the skin, cut it into edges, and you can just eat it as it is. It's really nice and sweet. And in fact, apparently American Indians, when they first found these persimmons, they called it God's fruit. So it's just wonderful fruit that you can eat. Be sure to cut the skin off. Don't eat the skin. Skin is a little bit bitter. Then we have these, I think Japanese call it Hachiyak, kaki, but in Korea we call it daebong, which means it's really nice and big. And we don't really eat them firm. I mean, it's really bitter in this state. So we have to wait for it to soften like this. See the difference in color? And this one, again, you cut it, and it's, as you can see, look how nice. It's just so beautiful. And in eating these persimmons, we also discourage people from eating sort of the white skin here. This white part is supposed to cause constipation, and you don't want that, right? So I quarter, get rid of this seed, and I would use a spoon to just scoop it out. And it's just really sweet as it is. Next we have the Hongshi, which is, again, soft persimmon, but not as different shape from the daebong here. And these really make beautiful sherbet. You just take the stem out and cut the top part like this. And I cut out the sort of the membranes, the white part, like this. And I just wrap it in saran wrap and freeze it. And when you're ready to eat, you just take one out, put it on a bowl, and eat it like persimmon sherbet. It's really nice and refreshing. Sometimes you will also find dry persimmon like this. And this is, when you dry it, it becomes like this size. And you see sort of the white powdery thing on the dry persimmon. It's actually natural sugar. It's not, artificial. It's just the sweetness coming out. And these, of course, you can just eat it as dried fruit. You can use it in salads. But again, when you cut it open, the inside is really nice and moist. And these are really great snacks. And I remember this was the favorite snack that my grandmother used to give me. And we have a saying that in order to calm down a child, you give them dried persimmon. So this was usually the favorite of grandparents or grandmothers to give to their children. So here we have all different kinds of persimmons, and I hope that you'll try it this fall, and and do let me know which ones you like the best. And I'm going to show you a simple way to make persimmon salad to add something special to your family dinners. Enjoy!